Welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Serpy. Now today, I'm going to introduce someone to another one of the Portmore quote unquote done them. Even time a video go viral, not too long ago, if a man get, let's just say abused, but him did it behind it. The reason I'm introducing it to him now is because I have a string of videos with him. I could be a part of them. So before I drop them video there, I want to make sure I know what I want. You see me with it, initially just introducing it to the termite and introducing it to them and Smokey and the Hezzy or the Moot or whoever. I first do an intro. So when I start here, the story them, then it make more sense for I go on. I talk about 87 way, them call him quote unquote Dan, but you know it guy already, the Jamaican use Dan loosely. Anybody will run off the ends are Dan. So remember I say all Dans under 90 octane, but all 90 octanes are Dan. But this youth is also considered a Dan because him like run off, quote unquote the ends, run off over here so on. You can send some youth to do something. So in that context, he's a Dan. This youth name is Shithead, aka Shitman. I know what you're thinking right now. This is too far. Even by my standards of making up things to get views. This is too far. Nobody can name Shitman. No Dan can name Shithead. This is a new law even for the local YouTuber to make up things. Can I show you a real thing? And them man they have a run off place. Somebody named Shithead. You must think so one video about diarrhea me I talk about. But I'm done today. Before I go into that, still have a hard time reaching out to certain people where we used to, the PIA, I'm telling you, say PIA they're all over the place. So I noticed enough of the PIA people them from St. Elizabeth and in place, Westmoreland, certain part of rural Jamaica. Notice me. Still not here. What go on with them. I get to understand that really them place there. Get the rough up from hurricane burial. The island as a whole was avoided the worst of the hurricane. But certain part of the island get an extra rough up. Man get a little box on the face, but certain part get a thump out teeth. So we still try to get in contact with certain people, but if you understand, say light gone and phone signal now work at certain place, so hopefully everything good with them soon start you back from them again. And in this same video, I got touch on something. But the reason I remember the PIA and just make a touch on it, so because next time I do another video upon FV leaders them and them quote unquote tracking skills, especially the GPS boss. I can tell you why the idea of government I try police the quote unquote truth is ridiculous. Start off with Shithead. And I say I know you find it hard to believe. You've heard all kind of names over the years. But this one just might take the cake and the icing. Shithead, aka Shitman. People from Portmore, especially Waterford side of them place, they would know him all too well. That's him on your screen. Him debut from even Pelpa days, that's Mikey Pelpa and them, long time acidic youth. Go behind bars, nothing not change. Still can make things happen. Him a man of war, all kind of madness. In a separate videos, I got hear about some of them war than what them war they lead to. And I said me really introducing them to the Shithead. The jail Dan. One of the biggest part of the crime fighting situation. People stay in a prison and actively lead gangs. And they're untouchable in prison. Both from the security forces who can't seem to bring a next charge upon them, and also their enemies There's no point just locking up man to put man now a safe place from enemies to make him continue to run the gang. But it always tell them that a 3 acts. They must forget. You don't have to get them act together. They need to sort out 3 acts. One is the firearm act, one is the bail act, one is the corrections act. So-called experts them sit down and spend much time talk and then when time we see them come a road and we look on the act them we say well that don't go far enough, but them are the big scholar, them are the big certificate, so work good with them, say. If them never sort it out properly and I get the little tiny results for them and see, imagine if they do a good job. Corrections act, one of the main game changing move what El Salvador they do was they isolated the gang leaders from MS-13. They had a special line of strategies that were targeted solely on the MS-13 gang leaders who were in prison already. Like Ironman and most countries who fight or have a serious crime issue, they only focus on the 87 them are road. Ignoring the facts the man that are prison are direct operations. El Salvador targeted and separated the gang leaders from the gang. The man in a prison already, them separate them even further. Enough people in the streets never even know what to do next. Because all along them a take talk from somebody in a jail. Enough time man that jail get the intel for one before people at the road. There's no point locking up a group of quote unquote dons just so that all of them can hang out and dress up and eat KFC and drink liquor in a prison and become best friends and now start link. That's how Iron Man do it. Me tell you say them botch the Corrections Act. But as usual, them 20 years behind so make we see what go on at 2044 if them catch up them time. This is how you see the Dan from Manchester and the Dan from Hanover and the Dan from Portmore and the Dan from Kingston. All them can sit down in one spot in a prison. And reason and laugh and skin off them teeth. Guess what else them do? Make alliances. Or you want something you want to take care of in Hanover? Me deal with that for you. You want something you want to take care of in a town? Me deal with that for you. Because them treat prison like a holiday camp. See Turbo post up video with you. Dress up like him a go one party. So all them in a prison. Just put them in a prison if you want them just group up and link up and dress up and have fun. And make alliances. And when they go back on the road, them have more links than before they go prison. Because them still not sort out the prison act, the Corrections Act. Remember the video with the man being abused? Played for. No, of course, you know, nobody cares about men. So when the video they come out, it was even funny for enough people because you don't know. Right, a man getting boxed up that's comedy. Right, people have no problem. People who say they are so against abuse and have no problem with a man being abused. Whether it's a man abuse him or a woman abuse him. As long as a man getting abused is funny. We don't know how I think. We have to be realistic. If that was a woman, it would be a national crisis. We'd have to go find out what go on, why, and have to go do something about it. But that was just Thursday. But I shithead. I call the shots. In that situation, shithead make that go on. See the brother who get the abuse? See the smart who do the abusing? Well, him stand up there and take it because he know what he did. So people either sit down there and check the abuse or them take it up in their own hands and that's a whole different set of problems. So a shithead was responsible for that. I say, from way back in the day, they both from Mikey Pelpa them days. Like we hear about him more in the future. Just introducing it to him. But just know saying Iron Man, your leaders them a feel so bad that's man and shit at a run place. Imagine somebody said come call you. Say general say you must go link him. Right. Forget a beating. And when you ask which general man I tell you say oh shit man. Yes. This man named shit man say you must turn up a yard in the next 15 minutes for one box up. Right. Cause you never send across the extortion when you request. Irie. For the video end more, touch my quick thing. And a PIA member a reason. And he said something with me have to share. I'm telling him I have to share this. I'm going to bring it up in the next video. He was basically sending me some messages about the video met about the Asian Umbre, aka the GPS boss. I must say, look at YouTuber. People actually fool enough to think the politicians do them things to help people, there are people out there who actually fool enough to think when politicians say, oh, we're going to, do this and make sure the internet is because we're looking at people actually think that are going, People don't realize this is political self-interest, But nobody can come out and I say a real thing. I know that a real thing. Enough people actually hearing politicians come out, we're going to clamp down on this and make sure that them actually thinks the guy look out for them. Just like way back in the day when time the libel laws them come out and they claim themselves for the people. Which people? It's for power. It's for the machine. It's for the people who control Ironman. It's for the elites. Jamaica's tough libel laws were written to protect the elites. It wasn't to protect Cheryl, and Mavis when time they catch up in an argument and they start throwing upon each other. Them people don't go court go fight in a libel case. It's for the big wigs, the elites. That way the media could never touch on certain things. They use libel laws to silence the mainstream media. So now they need something similar for social media. But there are people out there who are gullible enough thinks the government is acting in the people's interest, when in reality they're protecting themselves. But me already said that in my video. But what the PIA member said to me, I have to share with you, is that him said the idea of politicians policing the internet and deciding what is truth is stupid because all they are known for is lying. In other words, how can people who have built entire legacies, histories of lying to the people over and over, suddenly want to have the ability to police the truth? What they're saying we are going to police the truth and then anything where we say the truth, then we lock up, or punish or but that don't make no sense. Because why would anybody allow politicians to decide what is truth? You're going to make politicians decide what is truth? Politicians. You're going to make a politician tell you, say, yo, that's a lie, that's a truth. Politicians. That's ridiculous. Him say, me want to decide what is the truth. Make me hear what I want, make me hear this, make me hear A, make me hear B, and then make me pick sense to nonsense. When him say that, I say, you say, you head up in your body. Make me hear A, make me hear B, make me hear C, and then make me come to the conclusion where me want to believe. But a politician not supposed to tell me say, I go ban A and ban C, and then only allow B because him say B a truth. I say, no, I share this to the people. I'm like that point the way you put up. Politicians deciding what is truth is farcical. Because politicians, big wigs, elites will never give the masses truth. Because truth is knowledge. And they fear truth. So the fact that they might go tell us that they might go police truth and lock up people who not tell truth, that alone should make you worried. Social media is flawed. Okay? So is water. Let me say it one more time. Social media is flawed. Yes, all kind of nonsense on social media. All kind of nonsense spread on social media. Social media is inherently flawed, yes. So is water. Water drown people, water wash your house. Imagine somebody trying to build a campaign, say they're going to ban water because water drown people. That'd be stupid, wouldn't it? Because they look on the pros and the cons. They look on the advantages and disadvantages. And social media, for all its shortcomings, has done more for the people in putting information out there and having people get access to information than your favorite leaders ever did and ever will. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.